elevating the outdoor living. So what do I do in the spring when it's warm out and I'm not designing? I go cycling. So if you know me and people who know me, they know I like to cycle. I'm a little out of shape though, so I can't go really far. One of the things I like the most about cycling is just getting away, getting out into the environment, getting to see the trees, the buildings. I live in a suburb, so I kind of get that urban natural effect at the same time. It's pretty neat. Made it probably about 3-4 miles already to the gravel trail. I have to say this is probably where I get my most inspiration at, is right on these trails. It's amazing. I mean, yeah, I live in Chicago, but it's in a suburb, so there's a whole bunch of bike paths and stuff everywhere. It's pretty amazing. Check it out. Aren't on the tree yet, so it doesn't have that canopy over it, but it's still pretty neat. I mean, it just makes for great scenery. It gives me tons and tons of ideas to come up with designs and ideas and things like that, especially when you hit the waters and riverways. So I have several routes that I map out. I have some like 10 milers, I have some 16 milers, I got some 40 milers, 70 milers. So in the spring, I start off sort of easy, and then as I progress through the summer, then it gets hard, and I'll do like a couple 100-mile rides. I'll go somewhere for 50 miles and come back. This route that I'm on today, I want to say I think it's like a 16-mile turn. So I'll go up and kind of turn around. I think I go up like 8 and come back 8. I moved to a new location, so I don't know the reference or the distance of where I am according to where we moved to a new house. Say this is one of my favorite spots of the ride. Devin and I discovered this, I think last year. Normally when I ride, I just ride so fast. I ride through everything. And I was riding with Devin and he was tired. And so we stopped here, and I think we played out here for almost an hour. I mean, it's pretty amazing with the water features and stuff like that. And I tell you what, getting ideas and inspiration for backyards, putting ponds, waterfalls. I mean, because this is really a natural flow of what a stream is. So when you design something, you get more of a naturalistic approach following something like this. feeling pretty good. I think after a while, the old muscle memory just kicks in and you do your thing. Mile mark and I'm still humping along, just taking a break by this stream, taking a look at this beauty. I mean, it's really amazing, and I have to say a lot of my ideas comes from just riding on this bike. Sometimes you just got to get away, see what's going on out in the nature. I'm 12 miles in and they closed the bike path on me. How do you close the bike path? Like, this is not like a car, you know. I gotta pedal myself around somewhere. Oh, this is gonna be bad. So I found a new route. I mean, I kind of know this area by heart in my head, so I found another little bike path. I think it only added like 2 more miles to my trip, so I'm 12 miles in. Looks like I got 2 more miles to go, so it wasn't bad. I mean, I wanted to hit 14, 16 miles anyway, so it worked for the better. All done, 14 miles total. Thanks for hanging with me. This is how I elevate my mind to elevate the outdoor living.